Howdy, friends. We got a special day today. It's not going to be we're not going to be working on the shop right yet. I'm going to start the day off with a tool unboxing. That's right, folks. I got a tool unboxing today. I got some tools delivered to me today that I ordered a while back. First and foremost, hopefully everyone is coping with this quarantine in a good and positive way. I know I am kinda. I'm trying to, but you know, when I get tools delivered to me, that makes me happy. So let's get on with it. Today we got an unboxing, tool only, part of the Millwakee M18 family. I am not subject to one certain tool brand. A majority am DeWalt and Milwaukee. So my battery line fits the tools because I only got, it's a tool only unboxing today. So, but I got the battery line. I use the batteries, but here we go. Let's get underway. Now, what I don't get is the first tool I'm going to show you is I got it because it was just, the deal was I had to get it because the deal was just really good deal. So, but I don't understand is the warranty. The warranty for this tool is different than the warranty for this tool, and by quite a bit actually. And I don't get that in Milwaukee. If you could let me know why that is, that would be great. Anyways, let's get underway. So first tool up on the table is the M18 compact heat gun. Take a look. M18 compact heat gun. Alright, the specifications are temperature 875 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a guarded nozzle. Yes. Ladder hook? Yes. LED light? Yes. The length of it, 6.35 inches. And the weight, 1.75 pounds. So, 6.35 inches, that's how big it is. 1.75 pounds. Now that is awesome. And for a heat gun, I mean, I don't know when I'm going to need it, but hey, I'm addicted to tools. Alright? Just like you all out there, I'm an addict for tools. But this is my question to Milwaukee. This right here. 3-year warranty. Now on the next tool I'm going to be unboxing, it's a 5-year warranty. I don't understand that. So if you can give me an explanation for that, that would be great. Just because maybe I don't use this tool as much as I use this other tool, then that shouldn't make any difference. I should still get the. Anyways, let's move on. So the next tool that I'm going to be unboxing is my personal favorite. It is what got me hooked on Milwaukee. It's what got me liking Milwaukee. I think it is the best one on the market you can get. And here it is. Tool only, the M12 Milwaukee 1/4 inch compact driver. The best. Bar none, hands down, the best. I got it. This is my go-to right here. And this is the brushless Milwaukee Hex Impact Driver, 1/4 inch. This is the M12 cordless 1/4 inch Hex Impact Driver. Now this is the compact, tool only, but this is what I love these things. These are absolutely awesome. They're small, compact, they're about the size of a gun. You know, you don't have this big, the difference is you don't have this big bulky battery right here you have to carry around. I mean, this thing it is just, I have one in my toolbox, right? Toolbox, right now. Here we go. Boom. Out of the box, this is it. Yeah, this is it right here. I have 2 of them now. These are my favorite. I love them. I'll die with them. I'll get buried with them. They are my favorite. They are my favorite, hands down. So, but you can tell the difference. I mean, you can see the difference in why someone would choose one of these over this. These are just, I love them, man. I mean, they're just, you can get in the tight places and they're powerful. These are, you can see the backs are different. The LED lights are brighter. But it's the M12. It's the M12. That's the difference. This battery right here lasts a lot longer. So yeah, that said, you know, we can put in some, try to put in some nails, some screws. So that's awesome. That's power. I love it. That's why I got these. So these unboxing today is just really, we're gonna do some tool testing too. This is one that I've had. This is my new one. And let's get to it, huh? Let's get to it. All right.